In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload long video on Instagram Reels. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Instagram on your device and sign in into your Instagram account. Now go ahead and click on the plus icon below the heart icon. This will redirect you to the post section. So go ahead and set this as a reel and not a post on Instagram. Go ahead and click on the specific video that you want to use for your reel. And once you click on that, you'll get redirected into this area where you'll be able to find this edit video button at the bottom left corner of your screen. So go ahead and click on that edit video button. And since what we want to do is to post longer reels on Instagram, what we'll need to do with that long reel is to go ahead and trim it, cut it into 2, 3 or as much parts needed evenly and post it on Instagram one by one. Once you have trimmed your video, you can simply proceed on posting your video as your reel and proceed with the next part of the video that you want to post as a reel. And that is how you can simply upload longer videos on Instagram Reels. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.